In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Etsy, a platform that's perfect for showcasing your creative products to a global audience. Whether you're into handmade crafts, have a treasure trove of vintage items, or sell craft supplies, there's a place for you on Etsy. Now let's dive into the steps you need to get your shop up and running. First, you'll want to decide what exactly you want to sell. Etsy is a fantastic marketplace for handmade goods. Think jewelry, art, home decor, and clothing, alongside vintage items that are at least 20 years old, and various craft supplies such as tools, kits, and raw materials. It's essential to consider if you have a niche that stands out, if there is demand for your products, and whether you can consistently produce what you wish to sell. Next, you'll need to create an account on Etsy. Head over to Etsy.com, click on Sign In, and then select Register. Enter your email, name, and password, and don't forget to confirm your email address to activate your account. This step is pretty straightforward but crucial to getting started. Once your account is set up, it's time to start your Etsy shop. You can do this by clicking on Sell on Etsy, which you'll find either at the bottom of the homepage or within your profile menu. Follow this by clicking Open Your Etsy Shop. During setup, you'll be prompted to select your shop's language, country, and currency, and this is where your shop begins to take shape. Choosing a shop name is important. It needs to be between 4 to 20 characters long, should not include spaces or special characters, and must be unique to you. Make sure it reflects the essence of your brand and resonates with your products. With your shop named, move on to creating your first listings. Click Add a Listing and start populating it with at least 5 high-quality photos that show off the details and scale of your products. You'll want to include a compelling title infused with keywords to make your product easily searchable, a detailed description including size, materials, and care instructions, as well as the price and quantity available. Also, ensure you provide comprehensive shipping information such as processing time, carrier details, and costs involved. Next, set up your payment and billing information. Choose how you want to receive payments, typically through a bank account for deposits. Ensure your billing info is in order, as Etsy will charge listing fees and potentially advertising costs. As of 2025, fees include $0 to $20 per listing, which renews every 4 months, a 6.5% transaction fee, and a payment processing fee that varies by country. With the administrative setup done, it's time to customize the aesthetics of your shop. Consider adding a shop banner or logo, writing a brief shop announcement, detailing your brand or production story in the About section, and clarifying shop policies like shipping and return procedures. Finally, launch and promote your shop. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, publish your shop and start promoting it. Harness the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Consider using Etsy ads, offering launch discounts, free shipping, and encouraging early buyers to leave reviews to boost credibility and attract more customers. And there you have it, a full cycle from setting up your shop to promoting your products to potential buyers. By following these steps thoughtfully, you're on your way to creating a successful Etsy presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and we wish you the best of luck in your Etsy endeavors.